Hello everybody. One of my eBay packages has just arrived and I thought I might show it to you while it is here. And I'm just going to push on the computer where the item came from. Dual arc electric USB lighter, rechargeable plasma, windproof, flameless RU4. £1.35. I paid 11 quid for mine. Anyway, let's see what we got here. It actually comes from China and it takes ages to arrive, but mine just arrived right now and let's have a look at it. Right, there it is, it just arrived and I am not expecting very much from this. Nice box actually. There's the instructions and you got your USB port up here, and here is the lighter itself, which is in this protective little bag. Actually that feels quite heavy like, and this is how it works. And there's no gas required at all. It just, you plug it into your USB like you're charging your vape or you're charging your phone or anything like that, and it's windproof. So that's basically it. It's actually quite good. The only thing is you are waiting a while to get it back, but for the price that it is now, it's definitely worth it. Like. So that's one of my eBay buys, and I just thought I would show you it. That is not all the packages that I actually bought in the last couple of weeks. I bought a lot of paranormal equipment. I will show you that in a separate video. So I will see you in the next video, folks, and as always, be good to each other.